Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to edit videos using the app named YouCut. First, I'll show you what are the benefits of YouCut and why do I use it. Number 1, it's easy to use. Also, there are no watermarks. You can remove the backgrounds easily. It's best for making all the ratios video, whether it's for YouTube, Instagram. So we'll revise up what's in this video. First, how to add or insert a video or a photo in the app. Second, how to make videos using the app's templates. 3. How to add a clip inside a clip. 4. How to add a new clip in the timeline. 5. How to start editing from previous drafted video. 6. How to add a new clip. 7. How to select a clip, text, PIP or an audio. 8. Importance of selecting a clip or any other tool in YouCut. 9. How to add background using app's background color or any other scenery photos. 10th. How to add background photo from your gallery. 11th. How to blur your background photo. Okay, so let's get started. First we'll open the YouCut app, after which you'll be able to see this kind of interface and then you have to select plus icon. But if you want to select a template for your video, you can select it from here. But if you want to start it from scratch or from new, you can click on this plus icon shown down below. Over here we have to select new project. After selecting new project, you'll be able to see 3 options: video, photo and all. You can either select your video from the video section, photos from the photo section. If you're not getting your video from the video section, you can click on recent and you can find your video from there. Now friends, if you don't have any videos or if you just want to start up from a new page, so you can click on material and you can take a new page from color section, or you can even start from the starting, beginning, ending templates. As you can see over here, there are many. Once you select anything, it will come on this timeline of yours and then you can click on this arrow icon once you have selected all the videos and photos. So friends, now I will show you how you can insert a clip inside your clip, which means if you have already selected a clip and you want another photo or you want to add another video inside your video, so how you can do that. For example, if this is the clip and if I want to add a cartoon in this video clip, so how can I do that? So there is an option called PIP. You can click on this option and after that you can select any video or photo if you want to add in your clip. So friends, this was how you can add any video or photo in your clip. This was about how you can add a clip inside your clip. But what if you want a new clip or you want a new page to start? So for that you have to select your video and you have to drag it till the last. After that you have to click on this plus icon and then you can select a new page or a new photo or a video for your video. Also make sure that this part is the old side of the video and this one is the new side of the video. So whenever you are trying to add a new clip, make sure that your old video should be on this side of the orange line and your new video will come on this right side of the orange line. So now I am selecting a new video clip by clicking on this plus icon. Over here you can see that in our new video clip there is just a girl and the old video clip is something different. Friends, now let us know how to add a suitable background for your video clip. First of all, make sure you have not selected any video clip and make sure it is unselected. Over here, I'll show you a secret tip. If you want to know that your video clip is being selected, you will be able to see that once you have clicked on the clip, that clip of yours will be in a thin orange line or thin orange square box. Else, if it is not selected, the orange line or the orange rectangular box won't appear, which means that your clip is not selected. As you know, after selecting a video clip, you'll be able to see a thin orange rectangular box. Similarly, while selecting other tools like while selecting PIP, you'll be able to see different color of the selecting box. Like the PIP tool's selecting box is green. While selecting text, the color of the selecting box will be blue. So make sure whenever you want to make any changes in any of the tools, make sure you select them and then make changes. Else there will be lots of confusion. Friends, for unselecting anything in UCut, you just have to click back on that same thing. For example, if you have selected a text for making any changes, just click back on the text again and that text will be unselected. Now friends, after unselecting all the clips, you'll be able to see this background icon shown at the top. You have to click, and after that you'll be able to see that they have given lot of options for selecting any background. Friends, you can also choose your own background from gallery by clicking on this gallery icon. If you want to keep your background as a color, you can select color. You can also adjust the blurriness for your background by clicking on this blur option. I am going to select a background photo from my gallery. So after clicking on this gallery icon, I'll be able to select any background photo. So friends, this was part 1. Hope you've understood well. If you have any doubts regarding the video, please write them in the comment section below. Also, for watching part 2, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Also, click the bell icon so whenever I post part 2 and other parts as well, you'll immediately be notified. So, that is it for today. Hope you've understood well. See you guys in the next part. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.